Here is a quick and easy, family-friendly chicken shirataki noodle recipe, only using a few ingredients. 1 pack of konjac noodle, about 200 grams will do. 1 to 2 cups of cooked chicken breasts or rotisserie chicken, shredded. 2 small cucumbers, 1 sweet red pepper, some roasted white sesame seeds for garnish, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite salad dressing. I recommend Asian sesame vinaigrette or sesame ginger dressing. First, cut your cucumber into strips. Some nice bite sizes will work just fine. Next, separate your bell pepper and cut it into bite-sized strips as well. Putting your bell pepper upside down makes it much easier to cut. If you have a texture preference, you can cut them thinner or thicker. Next, cook and shred some chicken. We recommend rotisserie chicken or any leftover chicken. After that, you'll want to separate your konjac noodle and place it into a bowl. Place your noodles in some boiling water. Give it a little bit of a stir. And once it's steaming, take it off the heat. We'll want to strain the noodles and give it a cold bath. Make sure all of the noodles are cold before setting it aside. After that, simply combine everything together, except for the sesame seeds. After that, just give it a good mix. The noodles absorb a lot of liquid, so it might feel a little bit heavy to mix at first. Garnish with some sesame seed, and there you have it, quick and easy chicken shirataki noodle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to check out more of our content, or check out our website at bcdietitians.ca.